happy Wednesday. So y'all, it's Wednesday, just getting home from Bible study, and I wanted to show y'all what I got for my birthday. Not much. My birthday was last month, and so I like to, when I'm at home and lounging around, I like to be comfortable. So I found these, we call them moo-moos, Caftans, whatever. So I found 4 of them. 2 of them are short. This purple one, isn't that so pretty? And the material, y'all, is thick. It's polyester, but it's thick. I bought these before, and when you wash them, they start tearing on the side, but this is double stitched or whatever because it's really, really secure. But it's short. And it fits me just, it hits a little below the knees. So I got that in purple. Love it, love it. Purple my favorite color, so I love that. Then I got this one. It's more of a tribal print. It's long. Can y'all see the bottom of it? It's long. All of them out of the same material. It's shiny, but it's thick. The stitching on all of them the stitching is really, really good on all of them. You can pull it and you can't pull it apart. But this is a long one. And that's the bottom of it. This is the back of it. And that's the bottom of the back. Y'all see it? It's the bottom of the back. This is another one I picked out. I like it. It's short too. It's what it looks like on the bottom. Can y'all see the bottom? And then this is the back. And they're all V-neck. The short ones, the V is shorter than the other one. And then this one here is, purple is my favorite color. But this is my favorite one of these because of that beautiful blue. Sometimes I think blue may be my favorite color because I got a lot of blue. But look how pretty that is. And this is what it looks like. This is the bottom. It's got that same print all the way down. There's nothing extra. And then the back is the same. And this one has a rounded neckline. Yeah. So, I got these. This is not sponsored, of course. So yeah, I know that some of my videos don't get but 20 views, but this is not a sponsored video. But I just wanted to show y'all what I like to lounge around in, because seldom will you catch me at home fully dressed. I'm just being honest, because I get comfortable at home. But so this long one was, well, I got all 4 of them for $30-something because I found a coupon. I always search online for a coupon before I shop, and the coupon was 25% off for free shipping or something. I think it was 25% off, so I ended up paying $30-something for all 3. But I think these 2 short ones were either $5 or $6.99, and these were $10.99 maybe. Yeah, something like that. There may be a little more now. I know I'm linking them for you all. When I went to go and look, the purple one is out of, they no longer have this purple one. But it is really, really pretty. But they no longer have any more of the purple. But I did find the other ones, and I'll link them for you. They're not as cheap now as when I got them though. But I just wanted to stop by and say hi, show y'all a different side of me. I always share grocery hauls. But my videos that get the most views are cooking. I love to cook. I love to share recipes. And somebody said, I've seen some other people use some of your recipes. That's fine. That's fine. And thanks to Miss Brenda D too. She had used one of my videos and she actually linked it to Pinterest. So I got some subscribers that came over from Pinterest to my YouTube channel because she used my recipe and gave me credit for it. So thank you. I appreciate that. Let's see, what else I want to talk to you about. Oh, so welcome all my new subscribers. If you see something you like, it's all love over here. It's a judgment-free zone. Now we're gonna give our opinions and we're gonna tell you how we've done things. Cause I'm older, maybe I can show you a better way to do something. Hey, I can learn from you too, right? So I take constructive criticism, you know, if you're polite. You understand what I'm saying? Because once you try to be condescending to me, I shut down because that's not something I like. I'm never boastful. I always try to help people, and those are the type of people I gravitate towards. So, and those type of people gravitate towards me, honestly. But I just wanted to stop by and show y'all what I got. If you like me and you like to come home and wind, now these may not be good in the wintertime unless you're going to have some long johns up under them. But yeah, they're good for the summer. Or if you keep your house real warm, they'll be good all year round. Now I can't sleep. You can't sleep in these. Well, I can't. I can't. But I just wanted to show y'all what I found for my birthday. Again, welcome all my new subscribers. If y'all got any suggestions, any comments, things that you recommend I can do better, I'm welcome. I'm open. And I'm here. Much love, y'all. Be blessed.